Good morning, student. Today I will discuss about the different microbial group associated with the fruits and vegetables. My numerous factors can influence the contamination of produce, including the use of manure as a fertilizer, contaminated agriculture water, contaminated harvesting equipment, hygiene practices of occur in the field, packaging house and processing plant, and the presence of the feral animals in the field and packing house. Since the produce is consumed raw or no intervention practices are employed that can effectively control or eliminate the pathogen prior to consumption. It is the potential source of the foodborne illness. Challenges exist in all countries, developed and developing and developed, with respect to devising and implementing measures to control and preventing contamination of the produce with pathogens that present a human health risk. The USA Food and Drug Administration considers the safety of the imported and domestic fruits and vegetables a priority and has initiated a number of activities to ensure that consumers receive microbiological safe produce. In 1999 and 2000, the FDA initiated survey of the imported and domestic fresh produce respectively. The focus was on high value products including the cantaloupe, celery, cilantro, and the loose leaf lettuce. Among domestic produce, 1% of 1028 samples were positive for either Salmonella shigella species and no items were positive for the Escherichia coli. Similar results were obtained for the imported product Shigella and Salmonella, and no sample were positive for E. coli. Cyclospora. This pathogen is more commonly characterized by the watery diarrhea, loss of the appetite, weight loss, abdominal bloating, cramping, low grade fever, nausea, vomiting, fatigue. Contaminated water used for the irrigations and pesticide application and the poor worker hygiene have suggested as the most likely causes of the contamination. Cyclospora outbreaks outbreaks have been linked to the fresh raspberries, mesclun lettuce, basil, and basil containing product. Escherichia coli O157H7. Most E. coli strains are non-pathogenic and are commonly found in the intestines of all animals, include the human. However, there are the minority of the strains such as the serotype O157H7 that may cause the human illness. E. coli is a life-threatening bacterium that produces large quantity of the potent toxins that can cause severe damage to the lining of the intestine. Human illness associated with E. coli or 157H7 infection may include the hemorrhagic colitis, hemolytic uremic syndrome, or the thrombocytopenic purpura. A largely affected HUS largely affected young children and is leading the cause of acute renal failure in the children. E. coli O157S7 outbreak have been linked to the fresh produce. Hepatitis A. The virus may cause the serious and sometimes fatal disease characterized by the sudden onset of the fever, malaise, nausea, anorexia, abdominal discomfort, followed in the several days of the jaundice. Hepatitis A outbreak have been linked of the fruits, vegetables, salad, and with infected worker in the food processing plants. Listeria monocytogenes. This bacterium causes the listeriosis in the serious disease in the pregnant woman, the elderly, and those with the weakened immune system. Listeriosis is characterized by flu-like symptoms including persistent fever and can be accompanied by the gastrointestinal symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Listeriosis outbreak have been linked or to the raw vegetables. Norovirus. These are the virus also known as the Norwalk-like virus that cause acute gastrointestinal in the human, and norovirus outbreak have been linked to the contaminated water and salad ingredients. Salmonella species. Typical symptoms of the salmonellosis is the nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramp, fever, mild diarrhea, headache. Salmonella outbreak have been linked to the fresh produce. Shigella species. Contamination by the pathogen has often been associated with the poor personal hygiene of the food workers. Typical symptoms include abdominal pain, cramp, diarrhea, fever, vomiting, and blood pus, mucus in the stools, Shigellosis outbreaks have been linked to the shredded lettuce, potato salad, green onion, and parsley. Thank you.